What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to change Spotify country, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you stay alerted whenever we post another awesome tutorial. So guys, how to change Spotify country, why you're changing it and whatsoever, it's up to you, but my job here is to show you how to do it. So basically you need to go to the home and gear wheel over here, click on your profile and press edit profile. So as you can see, I'm not a premium user, so I'm not having all of the options over here, but you can easily check it. As you can see here, we are having loads and loads of options. So basically how to change your country. So I'm gonna show you how to do it now. So as you can see, you need to click on profile, so you need to got premium. So basically as you can see, you can use Spotify in different country or region for up to 14 days. To use it for longer than 14 days, change your account settings to premium. So basically the country and region of your Spotify account is based on where you were when you sign up. You can change it, but you might not need to if you have premium. So you can travel anywhere without having to change your account settings. If you still want to change your country or region, you need to update your payment method to one that's issued here. You can log into your account page. Under account, click update. Next to your payment method, enter a new payment method that was issued in your new country or region. The changes will take effect from your next billing date. You don't have premium, you can use Spotify in a different country or region up to 14 days. To use it longer than 14 days, change your account settings. You need to scroll down to country or region and select a new one from the drop down list. So basically guys, you need to own a premium for this. So as you can see, even when we go to other, it's not showing anything else. So basically country is basically connected with a premium because you can change the country by changing your payment method. So basically that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Goodbye.